In this video, we'll be going over subtracting integers using the rules. Here are the rules for subtracting integers. Whenever we're subtracting integers, we must change it to addition. In order to change it to addition, we must follow the following steps. The first step is to keep the first number the same. The second step is to change subtraction to addition. The third step is to change the second number to its opposite. And the final step is to follow the rules for adding integers. Just to quickly go over the rules again for adding integers, if we have same signs, then we must add the numbers and keep the same sign. When we are adding different signs, then we must subtract and keep the same sign of what we have more of. Let's go over some examples. I'm going to rewrite my problem. If I have negative 13 minus negative 4. I have subtraction, so I'm going to change it to addition by keeping my first number the same, changing my subtraction to addition, and changing my second number to its opposite. My second number here is a negative 4, so its opposite is a positive 4. Now I go ahead and follow the rules for adding integers. Here I have a different sign. So since I have different signs, then I must subtract. 13 take away 4 gives me 9. Then since I have different signs, I must ask myself, do I have more positives or do I have more negatives? Since I have more negatives, then my final answer must be negative 9. Go over another example. If I have 25 minus 50. Again, I have subtraction, so I change it to addition by keeping my first number the same, changing subtraction to addition, and changing my second number to its opposite. Here, my second number is 50, so it's a positive 50. The opposite of a positive 50 is a negative 50. So now I have 25 plus negative 50. I have different signs, so since I have different signs, I must subtract. When I subtract, I have to put my bigger number on top. 0 take away 5, I cannot do, so I'm going to borrow. 10 take away 5 gives me 5. 4 take away 2 gives me 2. Again, I have different signs. So when I have different signs, I must ask myself, what is it that I have more of? Do I have more negatives or do I have more positives? In this case, I have more negatives. So my final answer is going to be negative 25. Go over one more example. I have negative 123 minus negative 43. So again, I have subtraction. In order to change subtraction to addition, I must keep my first number the same, negative 123, change subtraction to addition, and change my second number to its opposite. Here I have a negative 43, so it becomes a positive 43. Now I have to follow the rules for adding integers. I am adding different signs, so then I must subtract 123 minus 43. 3 take away 3 gives me 0. I have to borrow. 12 take away 4 gives me 8. I have different signs, so I must ask myself, do I have more negatives or do I have more positives? In this case, I have more negatives, so my answer has to be negative 80.